Hey everyone! Today I want to show you how to make chicken vegetable omelette. Keep up with me. Chicken, pepper, potato, eggs, zucchini, parsley, garlic, cheese, onion, special spinach mix. I will show it to you. Bring a bowl and put 1 cup spinach, 1/3 cup feta cheese, 1 cup of mozzarella cheese, 2 tablespoons of oil, half a teaspoon pepper, and half a teaspoon of chili flakes. Mix it very well and put it aside. In a frying pan, put 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Add the chicken. Don't forget, cut it in cubes, and I put 2 cups of chicken, like 2 breasts. Put pepper, half teaspoon of pepper. Mix it very well and let it cook. Look how sizzling. Looks nice already. Put the chicken aside and add the onion. While the onion get a little bit brown, just add it to the chicken. Mix it and put it aside in a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon. Add the potato, cut it in 2 cubes, little cubes. Just add 2 tablespoons of oil and let it cook. And add half a teaspoon of pepper. You know how to cook potato, no? When it gets brown, just a little brown, just add it in the bowl. Add half a cup or half a zucchini, cut it into small pieces and do it as well as the potato. Put half pepper each. See how colorful? Green, yellow, red. I didn't put the red. I didn't have it, but still looks nice, no? See how it is? Add the chicken with the pepper. Just saute the pepper. Don't cook it, just saute it. And put the rest, whatever you fried. Potato, zucchini, chicken, pepper, all together. Mix it. Add the garlic in the end. The garlic tastes very well. Very good, I'm sorry. Now it's time to put the spinach mixed. Mix it all together. Time for the spices. Half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sweet chili, turmeric, cumin, ginger, hot chili, and black pepper. Mix it all very well. Put it aside. Now add 8 eggs and 1 cup of parsley and cilantro. Whisk it very well and add it to the mix. You know what I mean. Mix it very well all together. Now I'm gonna tell you what comes later. That's my favorite dish. You know what you're gonna put on top? Whoa, this is my favorite, cheese. Put any kind of cheese, mixed cheese, anything. Now you put it in the oven, 350, until it gets golden on top, and take it out. Bon appetit. I hope you like my food, guys. I love for you to subscribe. Hit the bell so you can get my notification next week, every Wednesday.